a bio, this is the great video for you. I'm giving you a few different options so you can pick and choose which one works best for you. They're all easy and nice, and if you feel like you want to keep watching until the end, I would love for you to do so. Feel free to join my family, and I also have a link below where you can go ahead and get the templates for the Canva. Let's get started. So I have the four here that I want to show you. And first we're going to start off with Linktree. So Linktree is one of the very first ones that I saw started a couple years ago. So once you do sign in and create your account, you're going to go ahead and be on the links page. So the links page is what you're going to click, and it's going to show up over here on the right hand side. This is what you'll see when you're logging on it from a phone. So you're going to click whatever links that you want to add. So if I go to my page, I do have a few of them already up. Yeah, I have a few of them already up, so I'm just going to use these. We're going to get started from here. So first I'm going to copy and paste the website and add that. So this one, the top page, this one will be a website. And then I can copy and paste that here, and that'll be linked. And we're going to go here to add a new link, and let's say this one, I want it to be, let's see what else I had up here. We'll link it to the YouTube page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link it to an email list here. It'll probably be this / email list. Okay. And then I want to add another one, and then this one is going to say checklist that I have. I'm going to go here to my digital downloads page. All right, perfect. So of course you can add a few more. So I just have these three here, and they will link exactly to it. And you can move these around if you choose to, so they can show up in a different way. So I'll put my website first, and then I'll put the email list, and then the affirmation checklist. All right, so if we go over here to appearance, we can go over here to appearance, and we can add a few different layouts and backgrounds. Just like any other platform, we have the free version and the pro version. So of course the free version, you do get some minimal layouts and a bit more fancier as you get the pro version. So here we can do profile title. I'm going to add the username. And then I'm going to here add my profile, my bio. Boom. Okay, cool. And that'll show up right over here. Let's see some backgrounds. I wish I can change these to fit my theme, my aesthetics of my page. Maybe here. That's cute. I like it. Looks like you can also add in, this might be for the pro version, but you can probably add in some hex codes for your different colors based on your themes, and get the pro version to change your accounts as well too. Looks like I can add a profile image. I can pick an image. All right, so I picked a random image from my shop. Upload. Nice. There we go. I like it. I like it. You can here some analytics. Analytics page is new, but it looks like you can go on this page. You can check and track and see how many people have actually clicked on your page and what they actually clicked on as well too. And upgrade, of course, you get a little bit more features with upgrade. All right, so let's see if we can see what ours looks like. And this is what the page will look like. Very minimal. Of course, you probably want the free version, but I'll show you a little bit other ones. And then you can copy and paste this and put this one link into your bio, and then it'll link to all these different pages here. All right. So next up we have, let's do Beacons. So Beacons AI is an AI artificial intelligence website that will connect with your profile, social media profiles, and we'll see what we can do. So I'm going to go ahead and click to sign in. We're going to create a free account here. Ooh, okay. So let's to add my TikTok. And then we're going to add my Instagram. I do not have a Twitter. All right, so we made themes for you. Uh-oh. So let's see. Okay, don't like any of these, but let's go with this one. Select. Nope, that ain't my website. No thanks. Your page is ready. Okay, copy link. All right, so just like the others, we're gonna go ahead here and we're going to add display. I love it. Stay up to date. Ooh, I like this. Let's preview and look and see how it looks. This looks really cool. Okay. All right. So now let's check a look and see how it looks. Okay. I really do like this one. Oh, it looks like you can stay up to date and submit the email here and then add it manually so you don't have to go through all the work. Makes it much easier for the customer. I love this. Okay. So that's how it will look. All right. So next up, we're going to go to flowpage. So flowpage, I already have a profile. So let's click next. And then I'm going to add it here. Okay. I can add my contact information if I want to. Okay, straight to the point. So let's go ahead and add it here. And it already comes preloaded with the other ones if I want to add them. Okay. So this would be great for those type of businesses that do that do use these type of online payment systems. That's awesome. Website link. All right, so it looks like my flow page is ready. That was pretty quick. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, I like these different fonts. Okay, looks like it's pro again. You can change the button shape, which is awesome. Again, I love the rounded edges or the ovals. Okay, this is really awesome. So now it says page saved and published. So now let's see what it looks like. Copy URL. Let's see if we can go here. Okay, and this is how it would look. So last but not least is Canva, Mighty O Canva. So what I'm going to do here is just type in the search engine, link in bio. I'm pretty sure that's not what it's called, but link in bio. And again, you can use Canva, the free Canva account, but if you like a Canva Pro account and you are a teacher or a student, I do have a link in down below where you can watch that video to take a look and see how you can access it for free. So again, Canva comes preloaded with a lot of different tools on how you can create your own template for this. So there are a lot to choose from. So what I'm going to do is find one, but then just edit it to fit my unique purposes. Let's go with this one. So I'm going to customize this template. And now what I'm going to do is just embed some links right in here. I'm going to change this picture to something that I already have her, and we're going to add this one in there. Here I'll do email list. I don't need all these, so I'm going to delete the ones that I don't need. And I'm actually going to make this a little bit spread far out. The cool thing about Canva is that I can highlight all of these, and then what I'm going to do is go to position and tidy up, and then I'll make sure everything is evenly aligned. So when you want to edit your different links here, what you're going to do is click on it. You want to make sure that the whole thing is clickable, because that's where you want to go ahead and add your website. So I'm going to make so it is clicked. I'm going to go here and we're going to go to this link, and this is where we're going to add the website. and drop another one of these and just copy and paste it, I can too. I'm gonna add my little rounded edges, and then I'm gonna make one that says SMS list, for example. I'm gonna drag that down here, and then I want these to be kind of a similar color. We can go over here, we can get the same matching color. Is now we are going to go ahead and see what it looks like. So I'm going to go to present mode, and then you can see what it looks like in present mode. But now what we want to do is we want to make sure that this is added to a website. So we are going to go to the option of website. And this is a really cool feature that they started not too long ago. And we're going to go to the scrolling option because we want to make sure that you can scroll all the way down depending on how many links that you have here. This is really cool and colorful, and I love it. It's perfect. All right.